Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about the role of blockchain technology in the financial industry.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry in a number of ways. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. This technology offers several advantages over traditional financial systems, including increased security, reduced costs, and improved efficiency. One of the most significant potential applications of blockchain technology in the financial industry is the area of payments and settlements. Blockchain-based systems can enable near instant cross-border transactions and reduce the need for intermediaries such as banks to verify and settle transactions. This can lead to significant cost savings for businesses and consumers alike. Another area where blockchain technology could have a major impact is in the area of digital assets and securities. Blockchain-based systems can provide a secure and transparent way to track and trade digital assets such as stocks, bonds, and derivatives. This can improve the efficiency and accessibility of financial markets, making it easier for businesses and investors to raise capital and access new investment opportunities. Blockchain technology can also be used in the area of identity verification and KYC compliance. Blockchain-based systems can provide a secure and tamper-proof way to store and verify personal information, making it easier for financial institutions to comply with anti-money laundering and other regulatory requirements. Blockchain technology also has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial systems. The development of decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been made possible by blockchain technology, which allows individuals to access financial services without the need for intermediaries such as banks. This can provide greater financial inclusion, particularly in developing countries where access to banking services is limited. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry in a number of ways. From payments and settlements to digital assets and securities, blockchain-based systems can provide increased security, reduced costs, and improve efficiency. The financial industry is still in the early stages of adopting blockchain technology, so the future is looking bright, guys. So bright! So bright, guys, so bright. So what is your take on blockchain? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Don't forget to check the video description for some interesting links, and of course subscribe to the Crypto Mining channel for more money making tips. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.